All right, y'all, this is a homework question out of 3.1. This is problem number 11. And we're trying to see if we can find the equation that matches that graph there, okay? So, y'all, let's do this. First thing I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to write out my equation. Y equals A, x minus h all squared plus k, right? Okay, so right here, y'all, that is my point H and K. So it looks like our H is -3 and my K is +8. Okay. Just trying to see a little better, okay? And then, let's see. And then we have another point down here, y'all. And this point, let me do it like this. Let's do it in black. This is our point X and Y. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to plug those numbers in. So we got y equals a, x minus a -3 squared plus 8. We know that minus and minus makes it plus, okay? Now, y'all, we're going to take this point right here. That point looks like it's the point 0 and -1. So where we have an x, we're going to put a 0. Where we have a y, we're going to put a -1. So -1 equals a. We said x was 0 plus 3 squared plus 8, okay? So, y'all, what we want to do here, we're trying to solve for the value of a. So let's say -1 equals a. 0 plus 3 is still 3 squared plus 8. Let's see, 3 squared is 9, so 9a plus 8. We're going to go ahead and minus 8 on both sides, y'all. So -1 minus 8, that is a -9 equals a 9a. So when we divide by 9, y'all, a should be a -1, okay? Now, y'all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to this equation right here, and I'm just going to replace that a with a -1. So we should get y equals -1 x plus 3 squared plus 8, okay? So, y'all, this is number 11 out of 3.1, and then we actually have another question, number 1 out of 3.2. So let's try this one. We're going to use synthetic division here, y'all, to divide this thing out. So, y'all, first step, synthetic division, I draw my half box. I'm going to list the numbers in front of my x's at the top. So 1, 4, 8, and 8, okay? Second thing, if we are dividing by an x plus 2, I'm going to change that sign to a -2. And now my first step, drop down the 1. We're going to multiply. -2 times 1 is a -2. We're going to add straight down. That's a 2. -2 times +2 is a -4. We're going to add straight down. That should be a 4. We're going to multiply again. -2 times +4, -8. And that's a 0. Y'all, the last number is always going to be my remainder, okay? So we don't have any remainder here. This went in nice and neat. So we used to have an x to the third. Since we divided it out, we reduced our powers by 1. So now that's the number in front of my x squared. That's the number in front of my x. And the 4 is my constant term, and we do not have any remainders. And that's my answer, okay? If y'all got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.